owner of F&F Dubai. F&F is a PR, marketing and events company, and we work with all beauty and fashion brands. This event is called the Beauty Afternoon, and we do it once a month in a different place every time. So today we are in the Waldorf Astoria in the IFC Dubai, and we are presenting 6 different brands, all related to fashion and beauty. So you can follow me.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. أنا ديما المنصوري، فاتحة شركة أورجانيك أونلاين، وعندي هاي البضاعة اللي هي 100% أورجانيك ناتشرال حق الشعر، مواد تجميل للشعر، صبغة. وعندي وهو هاي الصبغة تقريبا منها 24 لون، كلها أعشاب طبيعية، وعندنا شهايد تقريبا كثيرة من العالم أن هاي أورجانيك 100% صبغة للشعر، ومتوفرة ب 24 لون. وهذا الكتالوج اللي فيه الألوان من الغامق، من الأسود، من البني لين الفواتح، وعندنا اللون الأخير اللي هو الأشقر اللي هو الصن بلوند الأخير. هي كلها أورجانيك، وممكن تطلبوها على النت. ووفرت الحمد لله، وفرت اللي هو الحنة الطبيعي 100%، ووفرنا الهير تريتمنتس، علاجات الشعر كاملة، كثير منها ما شاء الله يعني، متوفرة أونلاين. حسابنا أونلاين والماما أورجانيك، وهذه البطاقة فيها الحساب والميل. شكرا.
Hi, my name is Louisa. Thank you very much for Anna for inviting us for such events. It's really nice opportunity to meet up with nice, lovely ladies, to try the new services, a beautiful afternoon tea. We are gaining lots of information about the new companies, new fashion makers, I don't know what other things, but lots of positive outcome coming from the afternoon tea of Anna. Thank you so much.
Hello, this is Mirna from Binex Clinic. We are here in the event we're doing a facial treatment and skin scanner. I'll explain to you in details what are these two things. First of all, I'd like to introduce our clinic. From Binex Clinic. We're located in Al Wasl Road, opposite to Al Firdaus, and we do all aesthetic procedures and dermatology procedures like Botox, fillers, threads, chemical peels, all types of facials, and most important thing we do have is the non-surgical slimming, which gives amazing results. And here we are now, we have Intraceutical. It's Australian brand, Oxygen Facial. It's one of the world top facial. All celebrities are using, and we can do a live demo, live facial. And we have this other machine, which called Skin Analyze. It's called Skin Scanner. Sorry. This is like our diagnosis system, which shows all the problems of the skin and how deep is the pigmentation, if there's any pigmentation. Here, this is the first step any client will do before moving to any treatment. Thank you so much.
Okay. Hi, I'm Deepika. I live in Dubai. I've just attended the F&F event at the Waldorf Astoria. It's been enlightening, to say the least. So we've come across new products, people who sell bespoke clothes, henna for people who don't want to color their hair. But it's been very informative, and it's been a great opportunity to learn as well as meet new people, see new faces, and make new friends. So I definitely come back, and I definitely recommend it to anybody else. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Johnny. Our company name is BCI Trading LLC. Our brand name is Yoga Compression Garment. It is for everyday use and post-surgical, aesthetical, and repairing garments. Our distribution lines are from the pharmacies, clinics, and hospitals. And from the time you wear the garments, you will really lose an inch. It will really compress your skin. And we do have a lot of style. It is for men and women. We do have also for the burn patients as well. And so these are all the styles that we have. Okay, this is one of the fast moving items. It is 3019 SE. It doesn't have the bra. It has opening in front, and it is above the knee. This is actually for abdominal what do you call it? Abdominoplasty surgery. And then we all have this also. We have the full body. We have for the chin. We also have for men also. This is one of the fast moving items also for men. It is 3009/3041 YNB. And we have this one 3041. This is for gynecomastia surgery. So it is made from Brazil anyway.
I'm the managing director of Beauty Garden Ladies Salon and GLT. Today we are here in Waldorf Astoria in DIFC offering complimentary services to ladies. So we are offering complimentary hairstyling. So brilliant hairdresser summit. And we're offering some express nail art. As you can see, doing some pretty stuff for the ladies.
Very watery. Why is it watery?
We would be happy to see everyone in our salon, which is located in GLT Cluster Q, Sabatawa 3. We are offering a wide selection of beauty services, and we have an organic natural concept, which means we're picking the best products for your health and beauty.
Yeah, they grow very big.
So you are after? After? Yeah. Ladies, you can also pick up this flyer.
No. When she leaves it up and now coming down glamorous. Beautiful. Thank you. You're very pretty. Now you're gonna have to go out tonight.
Hola, soy Cristel, soy de México y estamos aquí en un evento de F&F que es Food and Fashion y está súper lindo porque todas las mujeres podemos venir aquí a hacernos como un test de la piel. Tenemos aquí una estética de belleza donde nos están haciendo manicure y bueno, todavía no me hago el cabello gratis. Tenemos otras empresas que están promoviendo su ropa, diseñadores, etcétera. Y además tenemos un delicioso café en un lugar espectacular que es el nuevo Waldorf Astoria de DIFC.
My name is Valisa. I'm from the Camel Soap Factory. We only do menstrual products in our company. We have a lot of SKUs, a lot of soaps, and we also have a new face cream that we just launched. What we do is we use the main ingredients, which are the camel's milk. We also have all our products are made with olive oil.
and then they all differ. There's shea butter in them, coconut oil, so it's all different things. It depends on what kind of skin you're going through, and mainly it's for any acne, rashes, skin problems. What I'm going to show you off now is I'm going to show you a facial soap which you use for your face. It makes your face so amazing. Here I've got facial collagen, and it's called the chopper. So what we have in the soap in here is the camel soap, olive oil, and then we also have coconut butter, and we also have tea tree. So what it does for you is if you've got any rashes, any skin problems, it clears all the dead skin in your face, and then you will leave your skin so smooth, and it will be so natural. You will glow basically. And then for us to complement this, we just introduce a cream with also the camel's milk, and this is called the camel milk rescue cream. It also has the camel's milk in it, and we also have 33% of camel's milk. So what it does is it makes your skin glow, and it also has frankincense and orange in it. It smells so amazing. Please do try our products. When you come into Dubai, you can go to hashtag the Camel Soap Factory, or you can come to our website on www.thecamelsoapfactory.com. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ayana. I'm from Made to Measure and Coan. We are located in Jumeirah, Business Bay and Greece. We are specialized in bespoke suits and shirts. We design corporate wear, like suits for women. On the like this, for example, also we have traditional wear. All details, stones, and homemade, handmade work. It's made in So we are based till 9 years in Dubai. And now we are planning to launch the latest collection. For that reason we are here. So don't think and visit us or social media M2M Dubai. Hola, yo soy Dayana, soy de M2M Make to Measure, y nosotros nos destacamos por ser tailors. Básicamente diseñamos trajes corporativos para mujeres y también traditional wear, por ejemplo para bodas. Todos estos detalles hechos a mano con los mejores tailors de la India los traemos a Dubai y los tenemos como colecciones exclusivas. Estamos ubicados en Jumeirah, en el Business Day y Greece. No duden en visitar nuestras redes sociales en Dubai.
Hi, my name is Pierina Guerra. I'm Colombian and I'm a makeup artist. So I come to this event because it's a very great opportunity to meet people either from Latin America or from anywhere in the world, and it's also a very good opportunity to see products, like for example these dresses made to measure that are really nice because now we find stuff that they are already made, and it's very special to get something made for yourself. I also like the salon, the beauty salon. The places they choose to do this event are really nice, and we get like a nice time for ladies in the afternoon. We get a ladies afternoon, beauty afternoon, and